Hi, hello dear students. Welcome back to our channel. The breaking news is JEE Mains result is out. If you're qualified, many congratulations. You can start preparation for JEE Advance. If you're not qualified, your career is not over. There are plenty of options I'll be sharing in this video. Okay, so don't miss this video till the end. Okay, let's get started. Myself Raju, passed out from IIT Bombay. I have 7 plus years experience. I mentored 1 lakh plus students, and in this channel, I'll be sharing all chemistry related content useful for JEE exams and NEET exam. Okay, guys. So if you have not qualified for GE Advance and still you have decent score, and you can consider these institutions: Anna University, Jadavpur University, DTU. They take admission through JEE main score. This is the first option, and the second option is you can focus on the upcoming examinations. So what are the upcoming examinations? Big SAT exam. So this starts from 16 September to till 23rd September. Online exam, right? Downloading of hall ticket starts from 13th September. So you can focus on BitSat. If you get very good score, so you will be in 7th topmost institutions in India. This is the next option. KVPY. If you have interest in science stream, the last date for applying KVPY is 5th October and the exam date is 31st January 2021, and you have plenty of time for this exam, and you can start preparation for KVPY. And the biggest advantage for this year students is there is no interview. Okay, and the next option is you can take state level examinations, which are some of the exams are going on like MSET. Okay, so TS MSET for Telangana, AP MSET for AP, Orissa, OJE, West Bengal JE. So these are the state level examinations you can opt for to get BTech admission into state level colleges. And also the next option is topmost private engineering colleges in India. Through NIRF ranking, you can choose institutions like VIT, SRM, Manipal, Amrita, etc. So this is the next option, and the final option. If you don't like any of the private institutions, okay. So if your dream is to enter IIT at any cost, okay. So I'll be sharing very important options here. So through engineering, but this is not about BTech. Okay, so you can enter into IITs after BTech through GATE exam. What you have to do is, so you can join in local engineering colleges, the best local engineering colleges, and from second year onwards, okay, from second year onwards, if you start preparation for GATE, so GATE is basically this is the entrance examination for MTech admissions in IITs. So in this way, you can enter into IIT for MTech admissions, not BTech. Okay, and also there are other ways. Through science stream, you can enter into IIT, and what you have to do is you can choose BSc course in state level colleges, and that is 3 years course. Okay, so and you can prepare for IIT jam. This is the entrance test for MSc in IITs. Okay, you can choose this option also. If your dream is to enter IIT at any cost and you missed IIT. Okay, so these are the options available, and if you don't like any of these options, and if you are 100% determined, and you if you will be focusing complete year on IIT only, then you can choose re-attempting IIT. Okay, so this is the last option. So I hope these options will be helpful for choosing your best career. Okay, so subscribe this channel for more and more videos and like this video. So I'll meet you in the next video. Okay, guys, see you then. Take care.